Hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen how can you set up Claude Code for free using Ollama. I will give the link of that video in the description section. Now in this video, let us see how you can use Claude Code extension within VS Code just by using Ollama models and without paying a penny to Anthropic. Now this is the folder that we have used in our last video. Now let us go to the extension section in VS Code, search for Claude Code. Yeah, so the first one we will use Claude Code. Make sure this is from Anthropic and not from any other creator like this. Go to this, click on install, trust and install, making sure this is from Anthropic. We'll wait for some time for the installation to get completed. All right, the installation is almost complete. It is asking you this, get started with Claude, your AI coding partner, open Claude Code, chat with Claude. Let's go with the first option itself. Click enter. Okay, mark as done. Okay, now if you see, it's installed here. Now here you are getting this icon to open Claude Code. Now if we open that, you will see it is asking for a Claude AI subscription, Anthropic Console, Bedrock, etc. So these are the paid models. How do you change that? You just place Ctrl plus comma. It will open your settings section. Now you search for Claude environment variables. In this option, just click on edit settings.json. It will open this JSON section for you. Now in this Claude Code environment variable section, we have to add something. I will copy it from here. We'll just paste it. Let's just format that. Okay. Okay, now let's see the sections. So we are setting the Anthropic auth token to be Ollama, Anthropic API key to be Ollama, Anthropic base URL to be the URL where my Ollama is running, and the Anthropic model name we are selecting Minimax M3 Cloud. That's again coming from my Ollama. If we want to see, we'll just open the app. And if you see, this is the model name we are taking, Minimax M3 Cloud. Okay, we'll just click on Control Save. We'll just save it and close the window. Now come to the home page, click Control Shift P and click on Developer Reload Window. Just click on that, it will reload the window for you. Now if you click on the same Claude section here, let's see if something changed. Yes, now you see you have a working Claude Code terminal. Now let us try to create a simple application using Claude Code. Create a Python application that takes 2 arguments and returns their sum. That's it. So now it will be using the M3 model to give you the Python application. It's asking whether it allows you to write. This is the application it is going. We will just click on yes. You see sum.py come up here. Okay, right. Now it is giving you some examples how to run it. Let us try if we are able to run it or not. So we are in the Python sum.py 3.5 and voila, we have the answer 8. So that's it for this short video. Hope you like this video.